Improve the look of your 2017 to 2019 Ford Super Duty and light up the night with your new Anzo headlights. Installation is simple and only takes a couple of hours. These are the tools you'll need to install your Anzo headlights. Start by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Using a small flathead screwdriver, remove the 13 push tabs on the top of your truck's radiator shroud. Remove the radiator shroud and set it aside in a safe place. Next, remove the 8 10mm bolts from the top of the grille. Then, mask off your front bumper with tape to protect from scratches. Grip the lower and upper part of the grille and pull until it unlatches from each headlight. Once the grille is separated from the headlights, disconnect the 4 gray clips with a flathead screwdriver and store the grille in a safe place. Now remove the 2 10mm bolts on the front of the headlight. Remove the 10mm bolt on the top of the headlight. Next, peel back the rubber strip between the headlight and bumper to gain access to the lower 10mm fender bolt and remove it. Push down on the factory headlight and remove it from the top. Disconnect the OEM headlight harness and finish removing the factory headlight. Plug your new Anzo headlight into the factory harness. Holding the harness to the side, install the new headlight and secure it with the 4 10mm bolts removed from the factory headlight. Repeat these steps for both sides and reinstall the factory parts following the previous instructions in reverse. Once both headlights are installed, check the function of all the lights on your vehicle. Before driving your car on the road, aim your new Anzo headlights using your factory manual or watch our Aiming Your Anzo Headlights video. Don't get left in the dark. Visit AnzoUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.